Emotion, expressing emotions in French. Bonjour, and welcome to our exploration of emotions in French. Today, we're delving into the expressive world of feelings. Being able to describe your emotions in French is vital for personal interactions and understanding French culture. We'll start with basic emotions. Heureux or heureuse means happy, triste is sad, and en colère means angry. For instance, je suis heureux means I am happy. Feeling surprised or shocked, use surprise or choqué. For example, je suis surpris par la nouvelle means I am surprised by the news. For expressing fear, use effrayé or j'ai peur. If you're scared of heights, you can say j'ai peur des hauteurs. Feeling excited or enthusiastic, use excité or enthousiaste. You can express your excitement for a trip by saying je suis excité par le voyage. Confuse is used when feeling confused or perplexed. If a situation puzzles you, say je suis confuse par la situation. To express love or affection, use amour, in love, or affectionné, affectionate. Saying je suis amoureux means I am in love. Remember, emotions are complex and can vary greatly. Practice these phrases, and don't be afraid to express how you feel in French. It's a great way to connect with others and enhance your language skills. And that's our guide to expressing emotions in French. These phrases will help you communicate your feelings more effectively and empathize with others. Keep practicing, and soon you'll express emotions in French with ease. À bientôt.